What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I want to go ahead and install these 4x4 posts. Of course, got these from Amazon. Link will be in the description. All right, you guys. So right here, we have a metal post bracket. This is for a 4x4. All right. Fits right on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it on the edge, and then I'm gonna put a post on top, and I might put like bird feeders or something on there, just for a design. So I want to do something on my patio as far as like a design goes. So right now I'm gonna just go ahead, map it out. I'll spray paint it later, and then I'll get on with the review. So I got 1, 2, we got 3, and then 4. So we got 4 posts right here. Now I don't know how I'm gonna how I want to do it yet, but right now we're just gonna go with the flow. All right. And here they give you a lot of screws. So these are regular black screws from what it looks like. All right. But I do have exterior screws, so not to worry, you guys. We have exterior screws, and I'm dropping all of these. All right, so I'm going to bring y'all down, and we are going to screw up some posts. I have my exterior screws right here. Another thing I have is this metal, this magnetics bit that holds your screws, so you can put this on and put that right there on top, and then it shouldn't drop. So I will try to put a link of everything in the description if I remember. It seems as though the bracket is pretty durable. There you go. And that's it, you guys. We have a post up. All right, you guys, and here we go. We have the pillars here, and this will be for my little bird feeders and other stuff that I want to review. Probably will review it here, and then I'll put it out in the field. So we have our stand right here. We have our solar panel right here. It's going for that fountain. All right, I'm gonna have a camera set up so that way I can put out some bird content for the bird channel coming soon. And then I have this camera here that I need to review that I haven't reviewed yet, but I'll get to it soon. But this is amazing, you guys. So those metal brackets holds up very well, okay? And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe.